Are executables produced with Cython really free of the source code? I have read Making an Executable in Cython and Bhuvan's answer to how to obfuscate Python code effectively, and would like to test if the source code compiled with Cython is really no more than after the compilation. It is indeed a popular opinion that using Cython is a way to protect a Python source code. See for example the article Protecting Python Sources with Cython. Let's take this simple example test.pyx. Then let's use Cython. This produces a test.c, let's compile it. It works. It produces a 140 KB test.exe executable, nice. But in this answer how to obfuscate Python code effectively, it is said implicitly that this compilation will hide the source code. It does not seem true. If you run test.exe, you will see which shows that the source code in human-readable form is still there. Question: is there a way to compile code with Cython, such that the claim the source code is no longer revealed is true? Note, I'm looking for a solution where neither the source code nor the bytecode.pyc is present. If the bytecode.pyc is embedded, it's trivial to recover the source code with uncompile 6. P.S. I remembered I did the same observation a few years ago but I could not find it anymore. After deeper research here it is. Is it possible to decompile a.dll.pyd file to extract Python source code?
The code is found in the original PIX file next to your exe. Delete/don't distribute this PIX file with your exe. When you look at the generated C code, you will see why the error message is shown by your executable. For a raised error, Cython will emit a code similar to the following, where __pix_error is a macro defined as, and the variable __pix_f is defined as. Basically __pix_f 0 tells where the original code could be found. Now, when an exception is raised, the embedded Python interpreter looks for your original PIX file and finds the corresponding code. This can be looked up in __pix_add traceback, which is called when an error is raised. Once this PIX file is not around, the original source code will no longer be known to the Python interpreter / anybody else. However, the error trace will still show the names of the functions and line numbers but no longer any code snippets. The resulting executable, or extension if one creates one, doesn't contain any bytecode, as in PYC files, and cannot be decompiled with tools like uncompile. Bytecode is produced when PY file is translated into Python opcodes, which are then evaluated in a huge loop in cval.c. Yet for built-in /Cython modules no bytecode is needed because the resulting code uses directly Python C API, cutting out the need to have /evaluate the opcodes. These modules skip interpretation, which a reason for them being faster. Thus no bytecode will be in the executable. One important note though, one should check that the linker doesn't include debug information, and thus the C code where the PIX file content can be found as comments. MSVC with /Z7 options is such an example. However, the resulting executable can be disassembled to assembler and then the generated C code can be reverse engineered, so while Cythonizing is okay to make it hard to understand the code, it is not the right tool to conceal keys or security algorithms.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.